Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're about to head over to Walgreens and score incredible deals this week. You know this channel is all digital coupon deals. So if you're a beginner to couponing at Walgreens, this is the perfect week to get started. We're stocking up on laundry products. We have paper product deals, personal care products, some freebies, you name it. Everything is going to be packed into this video. So I'm going to show you step by step all the deals that you can take advantage of, exactly how to score them. And I'm gonna be going over my transactions so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. We're gonna be stacking our boosters and maximizing our savings. I'm scoring $93 worth of products and I'm only paying $23 out of pocket for them, which absolutely blows my mind. I've been doing this for 6 years now and I still get so freaking excited when I get amazing deals and I can save that much money by using only my phone. No more cutting coupons, no more newspapers, no big binders bringing them to the store, nothing like that. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and hit that red subscribe button. It's free to subscribe and that way you don't miss out on any easy deals that I share with you guys every single week. So you can stock up on a variety of different products that you use for your family while saving 75% on using them. Below in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown, so you can edit the breakdown based on the deals that you want to do, based on the booster that you have, etc. Print it out, take it to the store with you, and make sure that it is the perfect game plan for what you want to stock up on. Now, you want to make sure that you're clipping your boosters before you go to the store. We have a ton of different boosters that are stacking as well. So I got a spend $45, get $9 in Walgreens cash. This PG booster for spend 45, get 15 is online only, so heads up on that. Then there is the spend 25 on beauty, get $10 in Walgreens cash. That is online only. In store, you're gonna earn back a register reward, which I'll show you in the video as well, that tag that shows you. And I'll show you all the register rewards here that I went ahead and earned back. So these are register rewards. They print at the register, can only earn them in store for in-store deals. Walgreens cash, you can either earn online or in store, it doesn't matter. So let's pop over to Walgreens and get started on so many great deals. The first deal we're gonna do this week is the beauty deal, which is spend 25, you're gonna earn back a $10 register reward when you do it in store. Online, you'll get back a $10 in Walgreens cash. It's a booster that you have to clip. So what you wanna do is grab these down here. These work not only with a $2 digital coupon, but they also work with this REBATE rebate for $3 cash back each. The limit is 2. So they're buy one, get one half off. So one will ring in at $7.49, the other one will ring in at half price. So total for 2 is $11.23. Then you're gonna use the $2 digital, you'll pay $9.23. Then you're gonna earn back $6 from REBATE. Makes your final cost $3.23 for both of them. But again, we are getting up to $25 in product value, so we can earn back the $10 register reward. Then I'm gonna grab one of these CoverGirl powders here. These are the cheapest face products at $9.29. I'm just grabbing one. We have a $2 digital coupon, and on REBATE, there's a separate rebate for $3 cash back. The last product we're gonna get to get us over the $25 mark is one of these L'Oreal makeup removers for $7.49, and we have a $5 digital coupon. Your total for these 4 products is going to be $28.01. Then you have $9 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $19.01. You're going to earn back $9 cash back from REBATE plus the $10 register reward. Makes your final cost 1 penny for all 4 products. Next, we're grabbing some Garnier. So I have a ton of shampoo and conditioner, so I'm actually gonna grab these. I really do like using this spray. It looks really nice. It's 2 for $8 and it's included. Plus, when you buy 2, you're gonna earn back a $4 register reward. You can do this online. It shows here you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So clip this 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, earn back a $4 register reward. You're grabbing these for 15 cents a piece, which is insane because these are regularly $6.29 a piece. Next, we're grabbing some laundry products. So this week in store, there are specific deals for buy 4, get a $5 register reward, including Snuggle, Purex, and all. So I'm gonna grab one of these for $5.99. We're submitting to REBATE for $2 cash back. Next, we're grabbing an all free and clear. I use this for all of my son's clothes, so this is the perfect time to stock up. It's $4.99 on sale, and we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. Next, we're grabbing this small Purex here, which is on sale for just $3.99, plus we have another $1 digital coupon. Finally, we're grabbing one of these Snuggle dryer sheets here for $5.99. We're also submitting to Ibotta for another 75 cents cash back. So these are the 4 products that I'm grabbing. Total is $20.96. Then we have $2 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $18.96, earn back the $5 register reward, plus $2.75 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $11.21 for all 4 products, or $2.80 a piece. We also have an incredible deal on paper products, and I'm running extremely low. It seriously must be my lucky day though, because there's one of these left and I need one, and there was only one of those Snuggle left and I needed one for the deal that I did. So I feel like I'm about to go and do the lottery or something, because there is every single product that I need in my haul today, which we absolutely love that. So Charmin and Bounty are on promotion in store. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. You have to grab one of the 4 count here because there's a $1 digital coupon that attaches. Now, when I say you have to, you don't have to, like if there isn't one, but these are the only type that work with that $1 digital coupon. So just know that your totals will be a little off if you're not able to grab this one. The second Charmin you want to grab is one of the essentials here because there is a 50-cent digital coupon that works with this one. Now we're heading over to the Bounty. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna go get some lottery tickets. Look, again, there's one left. It's in the aisle of the 2 = 6, but that's not the one that's included. The 2 = 5 is the one that's included for $5.49, and you're gonna clip this $1 digital coupon. Lastly, we're gonna grab one of these Bounty Essentials, 4 = 8 rolls. It's included, and there is a 50-cent digital coupon. So these are the 4 products that you want to grab. Total is going to be $21.96, but we have $3 worth of digital coupons. You'll pay $18.96. You can pay with register rewards or Walgreens cash on this deal. You'll still earn back the $5 register reward because you bought 4 products. That makes your final cost $13.96 for all 4, or $3.49 a piece. Now for our easy freebie, we haven't gotten free oral care in quite a minute. It's usually costing us like $1 for 2, but these are going to be completely free. So in store, they're buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Grab 2 that are $3.50. I'm going to use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. I'll pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, makes them free. If you've already used your 3 off 2 digital coupon, what you can do is grab one of these, use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then you're going to grab one of the Crest if your store has it available at $3.50, and there is a $2 digital coupon for that. So the math is going to wind up working out the exact same. The other oral care deal I'm going to do so I can reach my spend booster that I'm doing is on this one for Colgate. They are buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and they're $4 each. I'm going to grab one of these because we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So you can either grab a mouthwash or you can grab a toothbrush. Next, we're grabbing one of the Colgate toothpaste here for $4 and use the separate $2 digital coupon. So total for these 2 is $8, but we have $4 in digital coupons. You'll pay $4, then you're going to earn back the $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $1 for 2, 50 cents for oral care. In my opinion, is definitely a stock up price. I get asked a lot to what's a good stock up price for a bunch of different products. So I'll put my stock up price checklist below in the description box so you guys can get it downloaded completely free. Just keep in mind, stock up prices are gonna vary per person depending on products that you need versus products that I need. Also, if you're a beginner starting out, maybe paying $2 for oral care is still better than paying full price because you don't have a stockpile yet. But as you get going and the more experience that you gain, the cheaper products you're able to grab, then your stock price is gonna start getting lower and lower and lower. So now I'll grab oral care if it's 50 cents, maybe $1 a piece, but a lot of times we can get it completely free. So that's always what I shoot for. Let's go over my first transaction so you guys can see an example. If you have this digital booster for spend $45, get $9 in Walgreens cash. Now you can use this online or you can use it in store. It is a one-time use. So total for all these products is $51. Hold on, $51.01. Can we talk about that? Who in God's green earth is paying $51 for these products? Like, that is insane. We're not paying that, of course, because you follow me and you subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna help you save 75%. So digital coupons, we have $19 worth. So you'll pay $32.01 out of pocket. I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash. That's the most I can use on this. And I'm gonna be using a $4 register reward to lower my cost. So out of pocket, I'm gonna pay $23.01. Then I'm gonna get back a $3 register reward, two $4 register rewards, and a $10 register reward for the beauty deal, plus $9 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster. You're also gonna get $9 cash back from Ibotta for the CoverGirl products. So that's gonna make your final cost for all of this free and almost a $7 moneymaker. Now let's talk about my cash cost, what I'm actually gonna be putting in my budget. Because remember, when you're talking about a budget, you're talking about real money. You're not factoring in Walgreens cash or register rewards because you can't use that to pay your mortgage or pay off your debt or anything like that. So when you're talking about a budget, you're talking about real money. I'm gonna be swiping my card for $23.01 plus taxes. That's what I'm gonna be paying out of pocket. Then I'm earning $9 cash back from Ibotta. So you're gonna subtract the two. So in my budget for this transaction, it's gonna cost me $14.01 plus taxes. That's what I'm gonna be writing in my budget. Now, all the rewards that I earn back, I'm gonna be using that to roll into my second transaction to again, lower my out-of-pocket cost. So let's go check out. I'm gonna go over all my receipts for you and show you exactly what happens and what to expect. We're back home from Walgreens, so let's go over my two transactions. Now, I always recommend doing two transactions, period. Whether you're a beginner or you're more advanced, do not ever try to shove everything into one transaction unless you have a ton of rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. At the end of the day, we're trying to coupon to save our real money. So we want to keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible because that's what we have to factor into our budget, and we want to make sure we're not blowing our budget. So if you're not budgeting, that's very important. Make sure that you have a budget. Make sure that you're writing it down for what you're spending out of pocket because you need to track that. If you're not tracking that and you're just kind of guesstimating, you'll be surprised how far off you can be. And at the end of the day, if you're off by 25, 50, $100, that's a lot of money. So let's go over the first transaction. Did that fall on the ground? Yes, darn it. Okay. So I did the CoverGirl, I did the Colgate, the Garnier, the Oral-B, that's another CoverGirl. Here's the L'Oreal. Here's all of the digital coupons that came off. This first one, the $4 one, is a register reward that I earned last week that I went ahead and used to lower my out-of-pocket cost. That was a manufacturer register reward, so you can use that to pay for anything. Then I rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, like I explained in the video. Everything's the exact same that I explained in the video for you. Paid $25.53 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta and got $9 cash back. So that lowered my out-of-pocket costs, okay? Then I earned back these register rewards. Now heads up, this $10 register reward is a store register reward. So if you're using it, again, if you're using it to pay down your out-of-pocket costs on a spend booster deal, like the spend 45, get 9, you have to get an additional $10 worth of products to use that because that counts against a booster. So for example, if you have $45 worth of products and you use a $10 store register reward, well, now you only have $35 worth of products. So now you're under that booster and you wouldn't have earned the $9 back in Walgreens cash. So just be careful with that. That one is a store register reward. So my second transaction, I did not use any booster. I didn't do any spend deals or anything like that, so I didn't have to worry about it. So I was able to use it and roll it into my transaction. So my second transaction, just like I said in the video, I did the laundry deal with the Snuggle, the All. I did the Charmin and the Bounty deal as well. Here's that register reward. So see how it says $10 off a $10 purchase? That's how you know it's a store register reward. These are all of the other register rewards that I earned from my first transaction. I rolled all of them immediately. These are all the digital coupons that came off. Then I used $10 in Walgreens cash because I'm, again, no spend booster, no nothing. I can use however much I want. So I used $10 in Walgreens cash. That's the most I could use on this because the total was $19.22. So I can't use 20 obviously because I'm at 19. So I paid $9.22 out of pocket on this one. Then I submitted to Ibotta and got $2.75 cash back on those Snuggle products. So in total, when you factor in what I paid out of pocket minus the cash back, my total cost that I'm putting in my budget is $23 for all of those products, which is insane. Yesterday at CVS as well, I wound up scoring like $85 worth of products for free. So let me show you what my office looks like right now. These are all of the products that I grabbed all of the products I grabbed this week. Out of pocket cost, $23. It's actually a little less than that. It's like $22.30 or something like that. But look at all this laundry products, personal care products, so many good deals. This is why I'm telling you guys, you've got to learn how to coupon the right way and maximize your savings. So if you've been trying to coupon and you're like, why am I not saving as much money as I want? This is frustrating. These deals are not going as I planned. I'm trying to copy these deals online, but it's just not working out. I have a step-by-step program where I teach you exactly how to coupon at both CVS and Walgreens. It also comes with a private Facebook group, so I can answer any questions that you have, look at your breakdowns, help you arrange them, the whole 9 yards. So I'll link it right here for you guys, or you guys can just go to the link in my description box so you guys can get signed up for my program. It's super easy, and it's gonna teach you step-by-step exactly what to do. That is how you're gonna be able to save 75% or more every single month, because you wanna learn how to coupon for yourself so that you really understand how to use your rewards, how digital coupons work, and how to put together your own deals so you're stocking up on products that you actually use and not just random products that people are sharing deals online. Because at the end of the day, if it's a product that's gonna sit on your shelf, you're throwing your money down the drain. Whether you save 90% or not, you wanna make sure that you're actually saving on the products that you use. So that'll be below for you guys in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.